मेरा नाम राजिका है। मैं यहाँ हिंदी की शिक्षक हूँ और मैं यहाँ 5 साल से पढ़ा रही हूँ। इस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पढ़ाई में हमारे बच्चे सबसे आगे रहते हैं।
Hi, my name is Anupama. I am the English teacher. I am teaching from 2 years and my children are very active and brilliant and we encourage all the children to speak in English only. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪವಿತ್ರ. ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. KG ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಶುಗೀತೆಗಳು, ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಫೋನಿಕ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕತೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರು ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Hi, this is Abhishek Raja. I handle AI and computer here, and we have a well-occupied and infrastructure lab here, as well as the kids start to learning the coding from the young age, as well as they started to create their own app, and they love to explore the AI as well as other stuffs here through the technology. So we hope to explore more in AI and as well as the technology part. Vidyakula is the right option for you. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ವರ್ಕು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಿಖಿತಾ. ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 1 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರಯೋಗಾಲಯವಿದೆ.
I am Fatima. I am the maths teacher here and I am here for since a year and through teaching maths we are focusing on mainly competency based questions, and from the basic onward we are teaching students to think apart from their circle, to connect with things, to deal with real life situations, to make connection between concept, and we are dealing like that. The students here are very energetic and they are very fond of studying. And when talking about class 10th, we are giving special training, and special we are doing revision questions and competency based questions. We are mainly dealing with that, and through practicing more and more we are creating a proper discipline in their life, and the fear of the subject is removed, and so that they can score better in life and have a better discipline in their life.
I am Pooja. I'm the English teacher. I have been here for 2 years. As an English teacher, I would say that this is one of the best schools in this area that mainly focusing on English enrichment. So in order to build an English environment in the school campus, what we are doing is that during assembly time, we would call some students here and they would speak for 5 minutes, and thereby we are building their vocabulary, and also they would definitely get rid of their stage fear. So this is what we are doing here. So if you would like your child to build their vocabulary to speak in a very good and fluent English, I would strongly recommend our school, that is Vidyakula Hippocampus International School.